Hi, I'm Julie Buck with University of Idaho Extension in Bingham County. As a family consumer science educator, I teach a lot of cooking classes, and I meet people who have a hard time opening jars. You can have difficulty because of arthritis, carpal tunnel, or other hand or arm conditions. Thankfully, there's lots of adaptive tools to help open jars, and I will be demonstrating 3 adaptive kitchen tools today. The first tool is this handy jar opener. It has different size circles depending on the size of your jar. You still need to be able to grip this around the jar. You can also use the edge to flip open a bottle top or to help get a pop container opened when you insert it under the flip top right there. So today I'm going to show you how to open up a jar using this blue tool. So if you'll take a jar and find the circle that best fits that space, and I typically go a little as big as possible, then you're going to want to hold onto the jar and then grip this as best you can, and you can hold up here as well, and then going left to right, go ahead and turn the jar, and hopefully you heard that click, and it easily opens the jar. Next, I'm going to demonstrate an under-the-counter jar opener. This is a 7-inch diameter circle that you screw under your cabinet, and it has a really easy jar opening technique. So you're going to put the jar in these teeth right here. It's a triangle shape. You slide this in to fit snugly, and then you turn to the left, and your jar opens quite easily. The last tool to help you open up jars more easily in your kitchen has 3 pieces. It has this circular device that has 4 different sizes of circles that go around the jar. It easily goes around the circumference of your jar, and you squeeze onto this device, and you also want to use the gripper that comes with this. So with one hand, put the jar around using the gripper, and then turn to the left, and the lid comes off. So in this example, I'm using a canning lid, and the lid comes off with that device. This device can also help lift up pop cans under here, or it also comes with another device. This device is for really small jars that you can slip this over onto quite stiffly. It goes on top, and then it will help open up that jar. It also has a flip top where you can reach under the flip top and flip this open like that. Or it can open a bottle pop top. So this piece comes with 3 pieces and is quite a nice jar opener. So hopefully today you've seen examples of 3 different devices to help you adapt to using these tools in your kitchen to more easily open up jars for whatever reason. And be sure and reach out to your extension office near you for more information. Thank you.